So we've got an exciting announcement about our SGS28 spray guns. They're getting a great update. For many years, we've sold the SGS28 in only black, and we've gotten a lot of requests over the last couple years to offer it in more colors. And orange was one option for us because orange is very high vis. It's easy to see if you set it down somewhere, then somebody won't run it over. They'll be able to more easily see it. My personal favorite here is the blue color. I love anytime you get blue and black together like this. I just think it's a great color combination. Also, I use our Cobra Jet smooth blue hose at my house personally, so I love the color coordination. My wife really appreciates that as well. Pressure washer looks nice. It looks good. I also pair it with our Aqualine nozzle guards and our Aqualine lances. I just go full on blue color, I guess. So the SGS28 though, in these new colors, not a lot else is changing. The built-in stainless steel swivel is still integrated in with these two versions, as well as the fiberglass reinforced housing. It just provides great durability and longevity for when these are getting, I know none of you probably throw your spray guns around or drop them on the ground like I do, but in the event that it gets ran over or you drop it or something, much lower chance of it breaking with our fiberglass reinforced housing, as well as, and this thing is extremely lightweight in my opinion. So I've held more spray guns than I'd like to admit in my lifetime. This thing is very, very lightweight for all your detailing needs or any industrial cleaners out there who are looking to reduce their spray gun by ounces or a couple pounds. Pick yourself up an SGS28 gun today because it's very lightweight. So that's the family of SGS28 spray guns. They're made in Italy by MTM Hydro. We are located in Burnsville, Minnesota. So if you need anything, if you have any questions on spray guns or any other pressure washing needs, please leave a comment down below and like and subscribe for more great content from us as it relates to detailing, pressure washing, and other industrial cleaning applications. Thanks for watching.